all right, more footwork in the place to be. So make sure before you do this 7-step tutorial, make sure you have your 6-step and your scrambler. Yeah, if you don't know what the heck those things are, go back, watch those videos in previous weeks, learn those moves so that you can be ready to learn the 7-step. Yeah, so our 7-step is not too crazy of a step, it's just putting together some of the things that we already know. It's going to start just like a scrambler. So a scrambler, as you know, is going to start like this. 1, 2, yeah? But instead of continuing around like a scrambler, from here, we're going to shoot through, kind of like a 3-step. This is 3. Yeah, so let's come back. So we go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, starting with our left foot, left, right, left. Yeah, so left foot's out. Now, 4, we're just going to do our switch. Yeah, so we go 4 and change the hand. Yeah, now we just finished like a 6-step, super easy. 5, 6, 7. What? Other way, we go right foot. 1, 2. Yeah, look how I turn my hips over. Turn those hips like a scrambler. 3, switch, 4, and with the hand, 5, 6, 7. So a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, why is this step so cool? Because it helps us connect seamlessly our scrambler and our 6-step. Yeah, because it starts like a scrambler, and it ends like a 6-step. Yeah. So if we're doing a scrambler, perfect entry into our 7-step. Yeah, which is a perfect transition into our 6-step. Ta 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 ta. What? That's wild. And we already know it's really easy to go to a scrambler from a 6-step. All we do is instead of stepping into our chamber, we just step over the top. So on your own, practice putting your 6-step, your scrambler, and your 7-step together in all the fun ways. And you can even use your chamber to change direction. So maybe I'll go, let's go to the side. I'll go 6-step, boom, 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 scrambler, and then 7-step, back to 6-step, chamber, maybe another 7-step, maybe a scrambler, maybe a 7-step, 6-step. What? That's a lot of fun, that's crazy. Oh, out of breath. So, the last thing we can do with our 7-step is we can use it as a really simple direction change from our scrambler, right? So let's say I'm facing the front, but I want to change my footwork to face the other way. Maybe I'm battling someone. So let's say I'm going to face that way, but I'm battling you. And I want to change my direction using my scrambler and my 7-step. Check it out. I go scrambler, scrambler, scrambler. Okay, ready? Now I'm here. I change to my 7-step. Now my footwork's here. Now if I want to change it again, scrambler, 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 change this way. Boom, boom, boom. And change this way. And I want to go back to the front. Boom, boom, bah, boom, boom. What? Super easy, super clean, crispy way to change direction. So that's our 7-step. Play with it, have fun, get it down, watch the video again if you need. Enjoy yourself. Peace.